Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add baggage to Expedia flight after booking. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Expedia website and log in to your account. Now, go to the My Trips section on the homepage. Here, select the flight booking where you want to add baggage. After that, click on the Manage Reservation or Manage Trip option. Look for the Add Baggage or Change or Add Extras link. You will be redirected to the airline's baggage options page. Then, choose the type and number of bags you want to add. Review the baggage fees displayed by the airline. Next, confirm your baggage selection and proceed to payment. Now, complete the payment process using your preferred method. You will receive an updated confirmation email with baggage details. If the option is not available, call the airline directly to add baggage. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.